Hello guys, good morning. You are welcome to my YouTube channel, the SPC Tutorials. As you all know, my name is Mr. Joseph. Please, as you are watching this video, endeavor to subscribe, like, share, and comment. In today's video, we shall be discussing, we've already introduced gas laws. All the laws that have to do with gases have been dealt with, all right? One of the benefits of subscribing to a channel is whenever the YouTuber upload a new content, YouTube will give you a notification that Mr. Joe or Mr. Okonkwo has uploaded a new content. So as you are watching this video, just try to subscribe so that when I upload a new content, you'll be notified by YouTube. Take note, this is not the first video on gas laws, all right? The topic is state of matter. You know that state of matter, we have solid, liquid, and gas. Then under gas, we have different laws that are concerned, all right? So this should be the, if I'm not mistaken, the sixth or seventh video on state of matter, that is gas laws. Endeavor to watch the ones we've done before, right? So we are discussing gas laws, all right? And we have two questions on the board. Whenever you see questions or whenever you are given a question to tackle, if it's an OBJ question and you've read the question, what do? Go to the options. What we have 500, we have the volume given as what? Milliliter. If the options are given in volume, if the options are given in liter, what do? Convert from milliliter to liter. In doing that, what will you do? You divide by what? 1000. But if the options are given in milliliter, just solve. You don't need to divide, okay? So please take note of that. So let's start. If you are not on my WhatsApp group, please send me that message on WhatsApp. So I'll add you up to my WhatsApp group. Very, very important. Alright, let's get started. A gas sample occupies a volume of 250 milliliter at a pressure of 1.2 atmosphere. Yes, pressure has different SI units: Pascal, atmosphere, millimeter mercury, torr. All of these, even kilopascal, all of these are SI units of what? Pressure. So today we were given what? ATM. If the volume is decreased to 100 milliliter, what will be the new pressure of the gas? Secondly, what we have on the board, we have just two entities, volume and what? Pressure. What comes to your mind? Boyle's law. Boyle's law states that the volume of a given mass of a gas is what? Inversely proportional to its what? Pressure, provided that the temperature is what? Kept constant. Alright? But Charles law states that the volume of a given mass of a gas is directly proportional to what? Its temperature in Kelvin, provided that the pressure is kept constant, which means that in Boyle's law, volume and pressure are concerned, all right? But in Charles' law, volume and temperature are concerned, all right? So which means we are using what? Boyle's law, which is P1 V1 equals what? P2 V2, all right? P1 from the question is 1.2. P1 means initial, that is what was given as the first pressure. It's not pressure, it's pressure, okay? So 1.2 atm, which means I'll just write 1.2 here times V1 given is what? The first one is 250 milliliter, right? So what do? You divide by 1000, right? P2. Whoa, okay, P2, if the volume is decreased to, I think let's leave P2 first, which means that the volume was decreased to, this becomes your what? Your V2, right? It means that times 1000 times 100 divided by what? 1000, alright? So what will be the new pressure? P2 wasn't given, so we are done. P1 is the first atmosphere given, the first pressure given. Then if the volume is decreased, and of course V1 is the first volume given, and that is what we have here. So what will be the new pressure, which means the P2? So it means this will go into this, this will go into this, okay. 1.2 times 225, 1.2 times 25, that will give us what? 30. Alright, 30. So 30 divided by 100, that should give us 30 divided by 100, that should give us 0.3. So what everything here is what? 0.3. Now we have these two zeros have cancelled out two zeros. Please, 1 divided by 10, it is not the same thing as what? 10 divided by 1, no. 1 divided by 10 is what? 0.1 P2. So divide both sides by what? 0.1, 0.1. Which means that P2 is equal 0.2 divided by 0.1 is what? TV atmosphere. Very easy. That is just a simple answer. There's no stress about it. Now, question 2 says a cylinder contains a gas at a pressure of what? 750 mmHg, which is millimeter mercury. So what does that tell you? If P1 V1 equals P2 V2. P1, I think that tells you is what? P1. So you write out 750 times and a volume of 2.5 liter, which means if the V1 is what? 2.5 equals then if the pressure is changed to 600, so this becomes the P2, isn't it? So 600 times what will be the new volume? The new volume is always P2, the new pressure, new volume V2, new pressure P2. So this becomes what? V2. So divide both sides by 600. 600. So this will go into this. It means that V2 now is equals, this will go into this. So 75 times 2.5. 75 times 2.5, I'll have 187.5 divided by 60. 187.5 divided by 60, I'll have 3.125 liter. So this becomes my V2. Alright. Thanks for watching. Don't have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm not saying you should not subscribe, please. Don't forget to subscribe so that when I upload new content, you'll be notified by YouTube. More questions are yet to be solved, alright, on gas laws. Do have a wonderful day.